Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about flash fill. Flash fill is a powerful feature which was introduced in Excel 2013. It can help you when you need to enter a lot of repetitive information. Keep in mind that flash fill is only available in Excel 2013 and later versions. Flash fill can automatically fill your data when it sends a pattern. For example, you can use it to separate first and last names from a single column, or combine first and last name from two different columns. Flash fill recognizes a pattern in your data and works best when your data has some consistency. For example, in this worksheet, we have two columns, one with a customer name and one with a customer ID. Notice that in the first column, I type in the first and then the last name of each customer. We cannot sort our list by the last name in previous versions of Excel. We will convert text to column from this button from the Data tab. In Excel 2013 and later versions, the flash fill feature is much better and faster. Take a look. This is super simple. Go to an empty column, for example, column C, and click on cell C2. Type in Edwards, which is the last name, and then Baker, which is the first name, and enter. Excel move to cell C3. For the next name, I will type Howard Wang. Look at that. Excel recognizes the pattern, and all last and first names are being displayed in the background in gray color. Now, if I press enter, Excel will fill those values to C3 to the end using the flash fill feature. How quick and easy was that? Flash fill is an amazing time-saving feature, and you can use it as often as you can. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.